Hi everyone, I hope you've had a wonderful weekend. I am here to announce the weekly giveaway. So this was the giveaway ended yesterday, and I'm about to draw the winner of these lovely goodies. So let me just quickly show you what the winner will get, and then we can get on to the good part. So we have this wonderful stamp set, and I have the same stamp set, and it's really cool actually, especially if you're doing journals, but you know, you don't have to use it for journals. So we have that. We have this wonderful pocket die, which has a wonderful decorative edge, and I have used this a couple of times in my journals. Some handmade items that I have made, a little ephemera envelope that has been made from an old book page, some pockets, some little, and these are Rupert the Bear books, remind me of my childhood, and they're made into little bags, and some vintage books, some brown paper bags, another little envelope, some lovely little journaling cards with some cute little things on them. Oops. Fabulous, jotty jot, quick, do it. Yes, for note taking, you get the idea. Another little envelope, a little, this is coffee dyed paper, and some old vintage papers there made into a little booklet, but I've left that so you can decorate that yourself. Whoops, a little flip out for your journals, and another little pocket there. Now what I'm going to need to do is just get my laptop out, and I'm going to take the phone off of the stand, and then we can get to do this. So I'm going to pause you, take you off the cradle, and I will be straight back. Okay, so I have got my laptop here. I have picked a YouTube random comment picker. It's the first time I've done this, so I'm hoping and I'm praying that, excuse me, this is actually going to work. So let's find out who's the winner of our weekly giveaway. Are you ready? Now, if I had a drum, I would give you a great big drum roll. Unfortunately, I don't. So we're going to count you down. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, is it actually working? Uh-oh. Oh, what do we do now? Oh, it's not doing anything. Okay, that was a bit of an anticlimax. So let's see. Okay, we've got it. Enter the YouTube URL. Okay, I've done it. That's not doing anything. Start entering the YouTube URL in the text field and pick a random winner. YouTube random comment picker is the easiest way. It's not working. Enter. Oh, look. Okay, right. I am really sorry. This was the first time I've ever done it. So start raffle and pick random winner. Are you ready? Where's it going to put the name? I'm so sorry, guys. Are you ready? Go. Oh, it's doing something. And the winner is Pinky Noble. And they have put, these are nice goodies. I am into Valentine themed embellished tags these days. It can be decorative hangings or inserts for journals. Thanks for sharing. Your cat is funny, wanting to be on camera. So well done, Pinky Noble. If you can email me, the email, excuse me, you can find in the description of the giveaway. Email me your address details, and I will send you the goodies. And I'm so sorry about that, guys, but at least we now know what to do. So there you go. I have done it for the first time, because normally I have a bowl and raffle tickets and I do it old-fashioned. So we have done it differently. So well done, Pinky Noble. Thanks everyone for entering, and there will be another giveaway this week, and I will either get the video up today or it will be sometime tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. And I also have to tell you as well, I'm sorry that the phone, the camera is wiggling around because I'm holding it in my hand. I do have a big giveaway coming up because I'm coming up to my 3,000 subscribers, and I cannot wait to tell you about that. So hopefully that will be sometime this week. So keep on watching. Look forward to seeing you all very soon. Take care. Bye.